Welcome to our journey through the 5 best morning breads for diabetics, where taste meets healthy choices. If you're part of the 537 million people globally managing diabetes, you know breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It's a crucial part of your health strategy. Our mission: to transform the way you think about bread in a diabetic diet. Before we dive into these delicious and health-conscious bread options, here's a little reminder. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos that are packed with useful tips and information. Also, at the end of this video, we have 3 amazing gifts waiting for you. These are specially designed to help you manage your diabetes better and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. So, make sure you watch till the end to find out how you can claim these incredible gifts. You've probably heard the common advice: avoid bread if you're diabetic. Well, I'm here to challenge that notion. With careful selection and informed choices, bread can still be a delightful and safe part of your morning routine. Our approach is simple yet effective, choosing breads low in carbs, high in fiber, and with minimal sugar. So, grab your favorite morning beverage, and let's embark on this flavorful and health-conscious exploration together. Ranking at number 5 is the organic flax and chia seed bread, a powerhouse of nutrition and a smart choice for those managing diabetes. Let's dive into why this bread is more than just a tasty option. It's a helpful one too. Firstly, the standout feature of this bread is its incredible fiber content. Packed with 11 grams of fiber and only 30 grams of carbohydrates, it boasts an impressive carb-to-fiber ratio of less than 3. Why does this matter? A high fiber content is key in managing diabetes. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbs, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show: flax and chia seeds. These aren't just trendy superfoods, they are nutritional powerhouses. Flax seeds, for instance, are known for their high alpha-linolenic acid content, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's beneficial for heart health. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants, calcium, and even protein. Combining these seeds results in a bread that's not just low in calories, but is also packed with nutrients essential for overall health. But here's a critical point: the sugar content. This bread contains almost 3 grams of sugar, which is relatively low but still noteworthy. It's important to balance the benefits of fiber with the overall sugar content, ensuring we choose a bread that supports our health goals. We also need to be vigilant about the ingredients. Unfortunately, the market is riddled with misleading products. Some flax and chia seed breads are essentially white bread with a sprinkle of seeds, so make sure to check the ingredients. Organic flax and chia seed bread makes our list not only for its favorable carb-to-fiber ratio, but also for its nutrient density. It's a bread that fits beautifully into a diabetic diet, supporting blood sugar management while providing essential nutrients. A crucial concept in choosing diabetic-friendly bread is understanding the carb-to-fiber ratio. This ratio helps gauge how much a bread might affect your blood sugar. The simple formula: divide the grams of carbohydrates by the grams of fiber in a serving. The lower this number, the better. For example, if a bread has 30 grams of carbs and 6 grams of fiber, the carb-to-fiber ratio is 5. A lower ratio means slower blood sugar spikes, making it a healthier choice for diabetics. Our organic flax and chia seed bread, with its ratio of less than 3, which is 30 grams of carbs and 11 grams of fiber, is an excellent example of a bread that's balanced for blood sugar management. Remember, look for breads with a carb-to-fiber ratio as close to 5 or lower to better control your blood sugar levels. Now, let us proceed to our next bread. Ranking 4th is Pumpernickel bread, a culinary gem from Germany, celebrated for its unique preparation and impressive nutritional profile. This bread undergoes a slow baking process that can last over 24 hours, using coarsely ground rye flour. This traditional method not only enriches its distinctive flavor, but also amplifies its health benefits, making it a superb choice for diabetes management. Pumpernickel's high fiber content, approximately 7 grams per 100 grams serving, plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that individuals including rye bread like pumpernickel in their diet achieve better blood sugar control compared to those consuming standard wheat bread. This fiber content significantly exceeds the 2.7 grams found in average white bread. Moreover, with a carbohydrate content of around 47 grams per 100 grams, pumpernickel achieves a carb-to-fiber ratio of about 7, much lower than many other bread types, which is beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Importantly, pumpernickel bread has a glycemic index of 45, making it a low GI food choice. This, coupled with its low sugar content of just 0.5 grams per serving, far less than the 1.9 grams in standard white bread, positions it as a fibrous, low sugar, and low GI option. These attributes make pumpernickel bread an exceptionally wise choice for those managing diabetes, blending traditional baking art with the wisdom of modern nutrition. Next up at number 3 is the innovative Keto bread, a game changer in the world of diabetic-friendly bread options. In recent years, the ketogenic diet has gained significant attention for its potential benefits in managing diabetes and obesity. Keto bread, aligning with this dietary approach, is formulated to be low in carbohydrates, which is crucial for blood sugar control. Keto bread's composition is a far cry from traditional bread ingredients. Instead of high-carb grains, it often includes almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk, eggs, and sometimes cream cheese, resulting in a product that's not only low in carbs, but also rich in fibers and proteins. A slice of keto bread may typically have about 11 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber, giving it an impressive carb-to-fiber ratio of less than 2. A compelling study featured in the Journal of Medicinal Food offers insightful data on the impact of a ketogenic diet, particularly relevant to our number 3 pick, keto bread. The research observed that individuals following a ketogenic diet, which is low in carbohydrates and high in fats, experienced remarkable health benefits. Participants showed a significant improvement in glycemic control, a crucial factor for diabetics. The study reported an average decrease in fasting glucose levels by 16.1% and in HbA1c, a long-term blood sugar marker, by 0.5% over a period of 24 weeks. These improvements underscore the effectiveness of low-carb diets in managing diabetes. The inclusion of keto bread in a diabetic diet can offer substantial benefits in terms of glycemic control and aligning with low-carb dietary strategies. However, it's crucial to balance these benefits with individual dietary needs and health objectives, especially considering the high-fat content of keto bread. Next up at number 2 is the nutrient-dense Ezekiel bread. This bread isn't just a healthy option. It's a blend of ancient traditions and modern nutritional science. Derived from an ancient recipe mentioned in the Bible, Ezekiel bread is made from a variety of sprouted whole grains and legumes, including wheat, millet, barley, spelt, beans, and lentils. The real beauty of Ezekiel bread lies in its sprouting process. Sprouting increases the bioavailability of nutrients and decreases the carbohydrate content, making the bread more favorable for blood sugar management. The typical Ezekiel bread slice contains about 44 carbs and 8 grams of fiber, which equates to a carb-to-fiber ratio of 4.5, and importantly, it contains virtually zero added sugar. This composition contributes to a lower glycemic index, which is estimated to be around 36, significantly lower than regular breads. This lower GI means that Ezekiel bread is less likely to cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for diabetics. Ezekiel bread is also packed with essential nutrients. The combination of grains and legumes provides a complete protein profile, which is rare in plant-based foods. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, selenium, and iron. However, it's important to note that Ezekiel bread has a unique taste and texture. It's denser and chewier than most bread, with a nutty flavor that might take some getting used to. Also, due to its natural ingredients and lack of preservatives, it tends to have a shorter shelf life. Storing it in the fridge or freeze it can help preserve its freshness. Crowned at the top of our list is the organic whole grain bread, a true champion in the world of diabetic-friendly foods. This bread is more than just a part of your breakfast routine. It's a cornerstone of a balanced diabetic diet. made from a variety of intact whole grains, such as barley, brown rice, oats, and sometimes even ancient grains like quinoa and amaranth. It's not limited to just wheat. These grains are nutritional powerhouses, rich in fiber, essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. The typical high-quality loaf contains about 40 grams of carbohydrates and an impressive 10 grams of fiber, leading to a carb-to-fiber ratio of 4. This ratio is ideal for diabetics as it ensures a slower and more controlled rise in blood glucose levels. The glycemic index of organic whole grain bread generally falls in the low to medium range, typically around 45 to 55, which is considerably lower than white bread. Furthermore, the sugar content in these breads is typically low, around 1.5 grams per serving, which is crucial for minimizing blood sugar spikes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the effectiveness of whole grains in diabetes management. The research indicated that participants who consumed a diet high in whole grains experienced a 29% reduction in their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This effect is attributed to the beneficial role of dietary fiber in whole grains, which not only helps in controlling blood sugar levels, but also improves insulin sensitivity. Incorporating organic whole grain bread into a diabetic diet is a straightforward and enjoyable process. This bread pairs exceptionally well with a balance of proteins and healthy fats. Imagine topping a slice with creamy avocado and a perfectly poached egg, or perhaps enjoying it alongside a bowl of Greek yogurt. These combinations are not only tasty, but also assist in slowing the absorption of glucose. It's crucial to pay attention to labels when selecting your bread. Look for loaves made from 100% whole grains, free from added sugars or unnecessary additives. This ensures you're getting the full nutritional benefit without any unwanted extras. Organic whole grain bread stands out as more than just our top choice. It's an intelligent, health-supportive element for anyone managing diabetes. With its low glycemic index, high fiber content, and rich nutrient profile, this bread is a versatile and advantageous component of a balanced diet. It allows individuals with diabetes to manage their condition effectively while still enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. As we bring our exploration of the 5 best morning breads for diabetics to a close, one thing stands out distinctly. Embracing a diabetic-friendly diet doesn't require sacrificing the joys of delicious bread. Each bread we've discovered today breaks the stereotype that managing diabetes means bland and unexciting meals. These options are not just about making safer choices. They're about rediscovering the pleasure of bread in a way that aligns with your health and wellness goals. If this video has been helpful to you, please show your support by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos from Diabetes Fixer. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to bread as a diabetic? Or do you have any special recipes you'd like to share? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're feeling extra generous and want to support our work at Diabetes Fixer, consider using the Super Thanks feature. It's a great way to help us continue bringing valuable content to our community. Before you go, don't forget about the 3 amazing free gifts we've prepared for you. These resources are designed to help you navigate your diabetic diet more effectively. You can find them in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Thank you for joining us on this delicious and informative journey. Here's to enjoying bread responsibly and healthily.